River Save is a permanent river. Yeah, it has never stopped flowing. Then another factor is the vast land. The factor is the vast land or enough land. So if enough land, you say in the bracket 5,000 acres. The scheme sits on 5,000 acres. It's very large. Then another factor is the fertile alluvial loamy soils. Fertile alluvial loamy soils. Fertile alluvial loamy soils. Fertile alluvial loamy soils. So what are the advantages of farrow method over sprinkler and others? So this farrow is cheaper. It is cheaper. That's advantage number one. Are we together? Then another advantage, the operation requires less technique. Anyone can operate. It doesn't require a skilled personnel. Anyone can operate. Even the young child can come and irrigate. Yeah. Disadvantages. One, farrow causes soil erosion. Soil erosion. Yeah. Yeah, silting is also a challenge. Among the challenges, silting. Silting. They already know. They have finished already. 10 years. The water challenge. So, disadvantage number two is soil leaching. Soil leaching.